How to change profile photo on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can view your profile information. Now tap on your profile photo at the top to view it. Then, tap on Change Photo. Here, you can choose a photo from your camera roll to set as your profile photo. Select a photo of your choice and then tap on Save at the bottom. You have now successfully changed your profile photo. So, by following these steps, you can easily change profile photo on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.